So now we will see outline property in CSS. So guys, basically an outline is a line drawn outside of the element's border. So whatever border is being provided to the HTML element, you can provide the outline which will appear outside of the border of that particular HTML element, and we will check this with the help of examples as well, with the help of different outline properties. So the very first outline property is the outline style, which is the required property over here. So guys, let us move to the VS Code in this case, and simply I'm going to remove the previous lines of code that we had written over here, and we will have the div element with a sample text, that is lorem, which is the emit abbreviation over here, that will help us in order to generate the random text in this case. Apart from that, in the style.css file, I'll simply remove all the lines of code over here. So let me just save these files now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, we have the random text that is getting generated and being displayed on the web page. Now guys, what we need to check is the border of this particular HTML element needs to be implemented over here, and then after that we are going to provide the outline property as well. So the very first property in the style.css that we are going to apply is the background color over here. So let's say we have the background color and the color is aqua in this case, and then apart from this, let us say we have the border which is going to be 5 pixels, and the border style will be solid in this case with the color that is black over here. So guys, we have a border of 5 pixels that is of the solid style in this case, and the color is black. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, for this div element we have the background color that is aqua, and we have the border color that is black with 5 pixels width. Now guys, simply we can use the outline style property in order to provide the outline to this particular HTML element. So let us check that as well. So over here we will provide outline in this case, and then as you can see, these are the suggestions that is being provided by the VS Code over here. We will be using the outline style, and you can see multiple values in this case for the outline style property. So we have dashed value or the dotted, double, groove, hidden, inherit, and multiple other values as well. So let's say we want to provide the dotted outline style. So over here we are going to apply the dotted outline style. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. As you can see, there is a dotted outline that is getting displayed outside of the border that we had implemented. Now guys, let us change the border color so that we can identify the outline that is wrapping the border. So over here what we will do is, instead of having the black color, let's say we provide red color border. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, after this red color we have the dotted outline over here, and that is the meaning of the outline which we can provide outside of the border of the HTML element. Now guys, let us move to another property. So we have only provided the outline style so far. Let us provide the outline width as well of 5 pixels in this case. So when we provide the outline width in this case, so basically the width of the outline will be increased and it will be set to 5 pixels. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the dotted outline of 5 pixels width that we have provided outside of the border of the HTML element. Now guys, let us move to another attribute. We have something called as outline color as well. So by default the color of the outline is black color. Let us provide the outline color in the CSS file. So in this case we will provide outline color property, and let's say we want to provide the outline color as blue color in this case. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the blue color outline that is getting displayed over here outside of the red color border. Now guys, apart from this we can also use the outline shorthand property. So similar to the border property that we have used over here, this is the border shorthand property. We can provide the values of all these outline properties inside the outline shorthand property. So simply I'm going to comment out these lines of code over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there is no outline for now. So what we are going to do is, simply we are going to use the outline shorthand property in this case, and one by one we are going to provide all these values. So first of all we are going to provide the outline width. So let's say we have 5 pixels outline over here, and then let's say instead of the dotted style we want to have the solid style of the outline, so we provide the solid outline style and then followed by the outline color. So let's say we provide the outline color as blue in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the outline of blue color now, which is wrapping the border of red color. So this outline style is being set as the solid outline, and that is why you can see the style of the outline is same as that of the style of the border. The only difference is the color over here. You can change the border and the outline width as well in order to identify the outline and border colors more clearly. So we have updated the border and the outline width as 10 pixels over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the border which is having the red color, and then we have the blue color outline in this case. Now guys, apart from this, we have something called as outline offset as well, which means what should be the space in between the border and the outline. So by default we don't have any space in this case in between the outline and the border colors over here. So what if we want a certain space? Let's say we want 2 pixels of space in between the outline and the border. So what we can do is simply we have to provide the outline offset property inside our CSS file. So over here we simply have to provide the 2 pixels width so that there is a space in between the outline and the border for a particular HTML element. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there is a white space you can see in between the red and the blue color, which are representing the border and the outline respectively. Let us increase the space in between the outline and the border. So over here, let's say we provide 5 pixels as the outline offset. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there's a space in between the border and the outline now, and that is how the outline offset will work in order to provide certain spacing in between the border and the outline of the HTML element based on your requirements. Guys, in this way you can easily use the properties of the outline over here either by using the outline shorthand property or the individual properties of the outlines. Comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is text color and alignment property in CSS. So stay tuned.